Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel. So today we are gonna compare the HomePod which was launched in Jan 2023, like recently launched one. I have just uploaded the uh, unboxing video as well, and here we have two HomePod Minis which I bought last year. So we are gonna compare these two and we will see what are the differences and which one is better, because for this price, which is around 33,000 or 299 US dollars, you could buy three HomePod Minis. So like, is it really worth three HomePod Minis, the bigger one? So let's talk about the differences, and the first one is obviously the size. So these ones are tiny, like very small, and the cables are not detachable. As compared to this one, you can detach the cable from the back, and the touch surface area is bigger on the HomePod because of its size, and for this one it is like it will do the job. And apart from this one have five tweeters if I'm not wrong, and I'm not sure about the HomePod Minis, but they do sound really well for their size. Both HomePod Minis and the bigger HomePod will work as your smart home bridge and your thread bridge as well, and both of them support Matter if I'm not wrong. Apart from that, the bigger one support Dolby Atmos or your spatial audio via Apple Music and your Apple TV, and you can use it as a stereo as well, just like the HomePod Minis. Keep in mind that you will need two bigger HomePods for the same model, like not the original HomePod, but the 2023 model or the two original ones. So apart from these two, what are the differences? The thing is, like, I have seen many YouTubers saying that Spotify still doesn't work with HomePod and HomePod Minis. The thing is, Opal does open up to third-party apps and they do allow other to integrate with the HomePod. It's just Spotify is not working with them. It's not Apple, it's Spotify. I've seen multiple times, even in the big YouTubers videos, like it is all Apple's fault, but it is not, it is Spotify here. So they are the ones who are supposed to support the HomePods, but they are not doing that as of now. So without wasting any other time, let me play the audio. Let's play on both of them. So I'm gonna use the AirPlay. So as you can see, I'm not sure if you will be able to see, I'm gonna play on the both, and this time I'm not gonna use the mic on the table. So first we will do with the bedroom, add middle audio. This is from the HomePod Minis, and both of them are currently a stereo setup, so the left and right channel. So let me play it again. Now let me try to play the same song on the bigger one. As you can see, the bass is really different. Now let me try on the studio, on the minis. So the audio quality or the audio or the loudness is better when we use two HomePod minis. I was not aware about that. So the loudness is pretty much obvious when you play stereo on two HomePod minis. But for the bass and the mids, the HomePod is better, but the loudness is not there. So that is the difference in between the two. So let me try with another song. Okay, so it seems my Wi-Fi was dropped, so now it is working again. Let me try the another song. I will remain at the same position and we will see the difference. So first with the bigger one at the same audio level. Let me change the volume. Now let me try with the minis. As you can see, the loudness is there, but the clarity is in this one. Let me show it to you again. At the same volume level. Now this one. Now this one. So these are pretty loud even at little lower volume as compared to the main HomePod, but the bass is in this one. For some reasons it might be because there are two HomePod minis and this is the single one. So let me try the last song, then after this I will tell you which one you should go with. So it is with the HomePod minis. This one. Even I can feel the bass this time. The same volume now, these two. Bass. now both of them together. So to be honest, the loudness, even the bass difference is not that huge. Like in some songs you will be able to feel that, like, because this one, when the bass is there, like I can feel it in my brain, like it was really zoom, something like that, even at very corner of the room. But with the HomePod Mini it is not there. Like if you are next to the HomePod Mini you will be able to hear the bass and feel it, but with the bigger HomePod you can feel it in the entire room. So that is the only difference. Apart from that, the Dolby Atmos, if you have two HomePod, the bigger ones, even with the single one, it shows the Dolby Atmos in Apple Music app, but I'm not sure because there was not that much of a difference. So if you have like limited budget, or if you have like multiple rooms, I would suggest go with the HomePod Minis, because with a two stereo setup it is like worth every penny as compared to this one. But if you have money and you just want bass and the Dolby Atmos, then this one is for you. But with the HomePod Mini everything is the same. Like you will get same humidity sensor, same temperature sensor, nothing as such. Yes, for the temperature, the one thing is these HomePod Minis doesn't get that much warm because they uses like 20-watt adapter. But for this one there is no adapter, just the cable, so it gets connected to the outlet directly. So the thing is, if you touch the surface, like I've barely played the music for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes I guess, and this is a little warm, but for the HomePod Mini it's not. So temperature sensor might shows like plus minus 1 degrees with the HomePod, and it's my guess it will be better on the HomePod Minis because they don't get that warm as compared to this one. So if you have like multiple rooms and you want like smart speaker everywhere or something like that, then go with the HomePod Mini. And if you care about audio quality, still again HomePod Minis are better. I do have a Google Nest Mini, I guess, yeah, Nest Mini 2nd generation, and this is nowhere close to these two. And if you want everything best that Apple can offer, go with this one. But personally I would suggest 3 HomePod Minis if you are on limited budget. But if you have no money restrictions, then go with the 2 HomePods and set up with your Apple TV. I do have an Apple TV 4K, but the thing is I no longer have the TV or the monitor to show it to you. But for the home stereo setup or the home theater system with the bass, this one is much better for its size and compact. That's like you can move it everywhere you want. Same goes for the HomePod Mini. So that's pretty much it for this video, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one.